Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can get into the settings menu on your Delonghi Magnifica Start and also what each option does, and then I'll give you a couple of examples of the different options. So I'm just going to go through what options are available. So this steam button here will correspond to coffee temperature. This espresso one will correspond to energy saving. The coffee button here will be water hardness, and the long button here will be auto off. This one down here will let the machine know whether you're using a water softener or not in the little water container here, and this ×2 button will allow you to turn the beep on or off the machine, the different beep options here. So now let me show you how to get into the settings menu. Really easy. This little gear icon here, press and hold it for about 5 seconds. There we go. All the lights will light up here and you can see that's flashing. We are now in the settings mode, and for example, if we wanted to turn the beep on or off, we can tap this button here because this is for beep. This means on. Tap this button here. This is like your selection here, on, off. So if we were to turn it off there, we need to confirm by hitting the same button again, in this instance the beep one, and then we need to go onto this one here, and that will get you out of the settings menu. And now can you hear the beeps gone? I'm just going to turn that beep back on. So settings menu again, hold this one down. We're going to hit this button here, and now we're going to turn that on. We're going to confirm, and now we hit that to exit settings menu, and you can hear that's now back on. Let's say if you wanted to change the coffee temperature, what we would do is go into settings menu here, and now we're going to tap this button because this corresponds to coffee temperature. And right now we have 3 different settings. This is high, this is low, this is medium. High, low, medium. So you can just go through. If you want it a lower temperature, medium temperature, or high temperature. So pretend now we want a low temperature. We've changed it to there. We're now going to tap steam because that corresponds to coffee temperature. And now to exit it, we're going to tap this. And now the coffee temperature will be low. Now each time I did it there, I was coming out of the settings menu, but you don't have to. If you want to change 2 or 3 things at once, you can do. So let's go back into it now. And if we want to do the beep, we're going to hit this one. And now we can change that to on or off, for example. And then you need to confirm it by hitting that same button again. But you can see we're still in settings menu. I don't have to exit settings menu yet. I can now go back into this one and I can change the coffee temperature. And as long as I hit that again to confirm it, I'm still in settings menu. So you can change 2, 3, 4, however many settings at a time. Then when you've changed all your settings, that's when you would tap the gear icon to come out of settings menu, and now your machine's ready to make coffee again. I hope that's made sense. Thanks for watching.